Hello! So in this video I'm taking apart this vacuum mop thing. So first you unscrew the handle. There's a few screws. I missed the one under the switch. You don't want to miss the one under the switch, but I missed it, and so it was hard to get the handle off. I had to crack it. Yeah. So you get that off, and then there's some cords and stuff that go inside. See, there's the switch, and there's the screw. See? See, I told you, and I wasn't lying. There's video proof. There's a screw under the switch. I just proved it to you. Okay, and then these plastic things, you have to, if you want to have a lot of screws or nails or whatever they're called, so that you can pop these out, because they're a pain in the ass to get out. They're locked in. The plastic locks in. And then even after you disengage the things, you still have to, you'll still have to pull it out with a, see, I have to pull it out with the tweezers. Yeah. Or whatever these are called. So then you get that thing out. The things hold the wires, the plastic things, they lock in there and they hold the wires through there. Alright, and then the switch. I'm trying to get the switch on here. There's a switch attached to the wires that goes up to the handle so you can switch it on. And I have to try to push it through there. But I'm not very good at it. So you have to watch me struggling with it. Yeah! Alright, so there it is. There's the thing, and the other thing. That's an aluminum tube. Got the switch out. Alright, now I'm unscrewing the thing. Oh, by the way, this is cracked, so they already partially took it apart. I already pulled a spring out of it that fell out. I don't know. It was smashed when I found it in someone's trash, so maybe, yeah. Who knows? But I think everything was there, almost, probably. So you have to unscrew some more stuff. Then you unscrew the screws there. Then you have to pry it off, because it's screwed on and pried on. So you have to unscrew it and pry it off. Then you get it off. So there's like tubes and stuff. Splitter. A stream splitter that splits the stream into two parts or something. And those are on there good. You get the tubes off. Yeah! Alright, and then there's this thing. So the motor's mounted on there. You have to unscrew the screws to get the motor pump off there. So there's a few unscrews to unscrew. There we go, got it off. And pulling out the extra screws. Got a piece of plastic there that you don't need. You can throw that away, probably, unless you're going to do something with it, with the scrap plastic. Then you gotta get the other, so there's more stuff to pull off of the pump. It's mounted on there. More screws. Oh, now there's a needle. There's actually some hypodermic needles here. What am I doing there? Okay, I'm pulling out the metal thing, because the wires go to metal contacts and they're stuck in the plastic. If you want to remove those, you gotta unbend them. Here's a spring. Okay, so there's a hypodermic needle in there and some screws. Okay, I got it off. Got that. So this is the pump. It's an electric motor with a pump mechanism attached to it. There's the hypodermic needle. There's like two of them. One was sort of come out. The other I had to pull out. Very dangerous looking. Hypodermic needles. Big ones. Okay, so there's the thing. That's one of those things that go into the cord and goes into the pipe. Pull that out. Okay, I'm pulling it out. Yeah, because it's attached to the motor. Got all that unattached. Now I'm pulling out the pipe. So there's another aluminum pipe made out of aluminum. That's pretty useful. Aluminum's always good to have. Okay, so I'm pulling the hoses out of the stream splitter thing. then you pop it open. You have to squeeze the things through. Okay, and there's like a membrane in there. I'm going to save the membrane. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with it, but maybe it's useful for something. Okay. And yeah, so it just strips the stream into 2 parts. Okay, and here's the pump. I'm unscrewing it. Unscrewing the motor from the pump mechanism. Opening it up, I mean. So there it is. There's like 2 gears. You can't see it because the resolution sucks, but there's 2 gears that spin against each other. The motor moves 1, and they spin against each other, and they move water, kind of like those old things. There's an O-ring around there. Those old water things. Mills, like an old water mill. So they move the water like an old water mill, sort of. Okay, so here you have a pile of plastic trash. Some wires, 1 with a switch on it. 2 hypodermic needles, dangerous. Some springs and a membrane. Some screws. A motor pump. I've decided that I'm not going to take apart the motor pump. I put it back together because I have enough motors, but I don't have enough. I don't have that many pumps. So I'm going to keep it as a pump rather than salvaging the motor off it, because I think it still works mostly. Alright, then we have some silicone tubes, or I don't know what kind of plastic they're made of, but I think they might be silicone, hopefully, which is better than other kinds of plastic because it can handle high heat. Maybe I'll stick them in boiling water to find out if they can handle high temperatures. Then you've got the aluminum that the rod was made of. So some nice strong aluminum rods that are good to have. So that's it. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and all that. That's important. Okay? Do it. Now.